So hi again. So today we will learn how to create visualization showing a map view of states with their profit and sales. Also we will include bar chart that shows profit and sales for each category for like whatever state we hover over mouse to in the map chart. Okay, so start with the creating visualization. All right, so first you need to double click on the state so that we can get latitude and longitude in our column and rows shelf. So now we can see map in our view along with all the states from US country, right? So we can see like Idaho and South Dakota, North. So all these states are here from the US country. All right. Uh, now drag the profit and sales in the text self. If we want to see the like how many sales and how many profit in each state, so just drag the profit in the text self. So we can see here the text, the profit for each state, and same we can drag the sales into the text again, so we can see how many sales for each state, right? So this is the one way. And also we can like, if we can remove the profit and the sales from the text and just add these into the detail shelf. So profit and then sale, then we can see if we hover over any of the state, then we can see like state Washington, profit 33,000 and sales 138656. So this is also the view we can show, like when we hover over, then we can see the profit and sales. All right. So and also you can change like the different color in tooltip for sales and profit, so that we can easily recognize with the color. So for this, double click on the tooltip and then select sum of profit, and then we can just change the color like green for the profit, and orange, we can just select orange for the sales, and then click OK. Now when you hover over any state, then you can see color, green color for profit and sales, orange for sales. All right. So this is the view in the map where we can show like profit and sales for each state. And now I'm going to show you how to include bar chart in tooltip for profit and sales of each category for each state. So for that you need to create another sheet. So just click on the next sheet and then so for that you need to create bar chart in different sheet. So drag category in column, so you can just double click and or also drag it in the column, right? So now we can see our category in the column, and the sales and profit drag in the row shelf. So first I am drag the profit, and then I am drag the sales. So it is all dual axis, so just remove the dual axis from here. So like we can see category in column and profit and sales in row shelf. So now we can see we have a two bar chart here, one for profit and one for sale, right? So we can see we have both charts, but the color is same for both the measures. So what we can do, we can change the color for the bar chart so that we can recognize easily which bar for which measure. So for that, you just go click on this drop down which is for profit and color, and just select orange green color for like profit, because we have also green and orange in our map view for profit and sales, and we can just change the orange color for sales. So you can select any color whatever you want. So this is our bar chart by category for profit and sales. And you can also just drag the profit. First you click on the drop down and just drag the profit in the text cell so that we can see how many profit for each category. And the same we can go for sale and then drag the sale in the text. Now we can see the total sale and total profit in the bar chart. So for adding this bar chart in the in our mapping map chart in the tooltip, so just go into the map chart again and double click on the tooltip and just down the cursor bottom the sales, and then just select and then click on insert, then select sheet from here, sheet 2. So our bar chart by category in our sheet 2, so just select the sheet 2 here and click OK. So now when you hover over any of state, then we can see the bar chart as well as, so this is first we can see state Idaho, then profit, total profit 828 for Idaho and total sale, and we can see bar chart category wise for profit and sales, like furniture profit 534 and for office supply 201 and technology 93. Same goes for sales. So this is the way to create this view, and this is the map chart actually. And if you want to create a heat map, then you just select the heat map from here. So this is the heat map. So when you first you have to remove all these things from here and just drag the state just drag the state in column and measure it profit in the text and click on the heat map. So this is the heat map, and we can do the same thing which we have earlier in map chart to showing the like bar chart in the tooltip. So thanks for this is the all. So please like and subscribe my channel so that you can get more videos for Tableau in my channel. Thank you so much.